Okay, so I'm getting ready to leave RTR, and I have to stop here. There's people got dogs, people like me that have cats, but then there's some other people who actually have a different sort of companion.
Hi, my name's Kitty, and this is my emotional support animal, Kevin. And he is a mini pig, and he travels with me all the time.
Cool.
24/7. He's a sweetheart, if you want to say hi.
Hi, Kevin.
Yeah, we just pet
He's
him
like,
anywhere on his back.
Oh, I can't reach out.
Go on in. It's
Through
okay,
here.
Kev. Go in there.
Oh,
I'm coming.
I'll stay
Here,
out.
Let me go in first. Now you're going to have to edit that out.
That's
go in
okay.
first. Kevin, it's okay. Come here, Kevin. Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. You're a star now.
Yeah, he is. He has his own. We have our own YouTube channel.
All right.
Uh-huh.
What's the channel?
It's Mr. Grunty Pants, because he grunts. So. Mr. Grunty Pants.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's like you like
Move
that.
over this way a little bit and rub his belly. He likes to have his belly rubbed.
Oh, you're fine.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh yeah. He likes it
don't-
right under the chest.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
See his mohawk going up? That's a good thing.
Yeah.
He's okay, buddy boy. Oh. Yeah, he's
How old is he?
He'll be 4 at the end of March, and he weighs 100 pounds. He's a little bit overweight. When we went to the van build, people kept feeding him like fruit, like the apple core and pear core and stuff.
Right.
That's just pure sugar.
Oh, sure.
So we're working on toning down a little bit.
Yeah. Well,
Lots of veggies.
there's a lot of that going around.
Oh, I hear you. Me too. Me too. So, have you had a lot of fun out here?
Oh yeah. Had a ball.
Yeah.
How about you?
I've had a good time. It's a little overwhelming for me. I have a lot of anxiety, so.
Right.
But I'm here with a group of people that I met at the van build, and so it's been nice to be. I think that's what's made it possible for me.
I plan on being the band build next year.
Yep.
I had doctors got a hold of me for a whole month of October and put me a month behind. So-
I know that one. I'm out here I got my 3-week hall pass.
Yeah, there you go.
Literally. That's what I got. So, yeah, he's a good boy.
Yep.
And,
But
he's
next
happy.
year I plan on being in Utah in October, which means I'm going to be in this end of the country
Yeah.
instead of that end of the country.
Are you from the East Coast?
Yeah, I'm from near Rochester, Buffalo, New York.
Oh, geez, cold up there.
Yeah, that's
I'll
why
pass.
I'm here.
Snow is a 4-letter word to me.
Yep, I'm running away from snow. I've told people all over the country that I really like snow if it's well behaved and stays on a
I
mountain.
like it when it's on TV, or if you can see it on the mountaintop. in the
Right, I can go
distance.
visit it if I want, but I don't have to shovel it. So
Yeah, exactly.
thanks.
No problem.
No. Bye,
Have a-
Kevin. Enjoy your
There
sun.
he goes grunting. That's all he does is grunt.
Well, I guess I'll leave RTR now after visiting with and meeting Kevin the pig, and it's been great. As she was saying, it's a great group of people, and even if you got a little bit of anxiety, there's always some nice people to hang around with. So I'm gonna get on the road and get back to traveling around the country and see what I can see. See you later, YouTube.